How to get mewing pins on Brawl Stars. Hello guys and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can get the mewing pins on Brawl Stars. So for that, first of all, open your Brawl Stars game and click on the character, and here all of the brawlers which you have unlocked will be displayed over here. So make sure to click on that which you have unlocked already. Now over here you'll be able to see this chat icon over here at the bottom left, so just click on that, and now all of the pins which you have unlocked will be displayed over here, and you can just select one of the pins and you can use it in the battle. So make sure to select which you have unlocked and come back, and you'll be able to see this hanger icon at the top left. So click on it and you can see that this is a catalog where all of the pins will be displayed. There is common pins, rare pins, epic pins, and collector pins. So mewing pin is basically a collector pin. So over here among the list you can search for the mewing pin. If you cannot find the mewing pin, that's because it is only available at a specific event. So like, you know, there are different updates and events like Halloween, Christmas, etc. So they just update this game and add the mewing pin during those events. You can see there are many other collector pins. However, mewing pin is not here right now. If you're watching in future at a time and the event is there, then you can see the mewing pin over here. So mewing pin basically is for, like, I guess 178 USD, but again that's not a discrete amount of money. That can variate according to the time the creator adds the mewing pin again into the game. So that really just depends on the creators, that what price they wish to keep of the mewing pin. So in order to get mewing pins on Brawl Stars, you'll have to wait for that event to come again, and any of you does have the mewing pin, you can write down in the comments below then when was the last time that pin appeared. So that is basically how you can get mewing pin on Brawl Stars. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.